What's going on, guys? Hope you're all having a good day, or had a good day, because who knows what time I'm going to be posting this video. This morning I was over at a local indoor skate park with a couple buddies of mine, and I think I'm still used to the Florida air. The air is definitely way thinner up here in Colorado because I was already out of breath like right away after I just did a couple tricks. And yeah, this made me realize how much nicer the air is down there. I feel like I could have just ran forever down in Florida, but up here, you run out of breath really fast. But I did do a backflip on my dirt scooter right here, so that was pretty cool. Didn't film it though. Anyways, I think Jeremy is getting some stuff for his B-Series build right now. He's getting a head gasket, a file for the piston rings, and something else. But he should be back soon, and I think we're gonna try to start working on his tonight, see if we can get the bottom end thrown together. And right now I'm gonna be heading over to PFI to drop off the wheels that I borrowed from Jamie for the minivan that we had on the van when we were in Florida. And also I had a couple 5-gallon gas jugs for E85 that I borrowed from Brent, so I'm gonna be dropping those off. And I also need to take the parachute off of the minivan and give that back to Jamie, but it's kind of a pain to get the parachute off. You have to like go under the bumper, so I'm gonna wait on that till like tomorrow or something. I'm gonna head over there. I haven't even seen Brent since I got back yet. I haven't been over there or anything, so I think it'd be good to hang out. And yeah, hopefully when I'm back, Jeremy will have what he needs for his block, and we can start working on his car and getting that thing back on the road. And no, I did not forget about the MR2. She's still sitting right here. I was actually going to fire it up and take it over to PFI, just give it a chance to run and you know, drive it around, since it's just been sitting for a good month now. But there's no battery in it, and I don't have a charged one laying around. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to take the boring minivan. But yeah, more stuff will be coming for the MR2 as well, for those of you asking. Got the wheels dropped off. Thank you so much for letting me borrow those. Minivan did really good with those on there. Fortunately, Brent's not here right now. Where'd he go?
I don't know, he's probably sleeping.
Yeah, so Brent's not here, so couldn't say hi to him. I haven't even seen him yet since we got back. But yeah, it looks good in here though. You guys did some cleaning while we were gone?
Yeah, you guys went out of town, so we just cleaned while you were gone.
Got the SRT4's front end like put on. It looks good.
Yeah, got some suspension work done on it.
Coming together. You need to get this thing going already.
Yeah, getting closer. This one's almost
just
done.
Not too fast. I still got to give that parachute back.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this one going first, and then start playing with this one. So.
Because this is like your.
This is just
your more street one, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jamie's an SRT4 guy. Yeah. If you didn't know, I think
somehow I got stuck with him.
People should know by now, though.
Yeah. They'll figure it out.
Yeah, and these are the same wheels that dude. Did you see that that guy gave us the wheels for the MR2? No. A guy gave me a free set of those wheels.
Sweet.
Those exact ones.
Yeah.
Because Jamie was telling me I should get these like for the MR2 and for the van.
Yep. And
that dude actually ended up bringing me some.
That's perfect.
Yeah, I really like those. And look what we got hanging up over here. Got a hoop for a roll cage. It's coming soon. Looks like the twin turbo J series Civic is coming together. Thing's gonna be gnarly. Did you get everything you need?
Yeah, I think so. I think we're ready.
What did you get? Just went to O'Reilly's real quick, get like a head gasket.
Yeah, I tried to get another one, but all they have is Felpro, so. I mean, the other one, it never really gave me a problem, so I guess I'll trust that one for now.
Yeah, we're not gonna be running much boost through her, so this one should, oh, there's no head gasket there. It's right here in front of my face. Yeah, this one should work fine. We'll be all right. And then I guess if it does blow a head gasket, like on these blue ones, you can like see where it blows.
Yeah.
But we also got some plastic. God damn it. Freaking Emilio, you're ruining the video right now. So Jeremy went to the store to get the head gasket. He also got the file. And we just went back to get some plastic gauge because we realized we forgot that, and we do want to double check the clearances. So we got the plastic gauge. These are just some used ARP main and head studs. Those were already in there, right?
Yeah.
And we're just gonna reuse them?
Yeah, they're out of a GSR, so I just took them out.
Okay, but yeah, these will work fine. You can reuse these. These will hold up great. And then what do we got over here? We have the rings in here for the pistons. Then we got our bearings, mains, and rod. We also have some more rod bearings in here. Which one of these, which set of these are you gonna use? These ones or the Kings?
Probably just go Kings.
Yeah, since we have them, might as well just keep them the same. So he has an extra set of rod and, or yeah, 2 sets of rod bearings. So I think we're just gonna use the Kings and then just save these for another build, I guess. Then, if you guys don't remember, these are the what company?
The YCP piston.
YCP eBay pistons.
eBay pistons, yeah. So it's pretty much like a GSR piston. It looks the same, but the only difference is the bore size. It's 84. So That's pretty much it. And I guess they said that it's more reinforced and it's better because it's Teflon coated. So
yeah, it's just eBay aftermarket piston, and then just eBay H-beam rods. Really simple stuff. I mean, how much is this? Probably like not even $400 for the set.
I don't even think it was
like you can probably get all this for about, yeah, with bearings for under $400. Like these are dirt cheap, and these should be good to at least 350, 400 horsepower. The only thing we're worried about is the sleeves on the B20 are pretty weak. This base right in between here, I guess, is what tends to go. I'm just now learning about that because I've never done any B-series stuff, but that's what Brent was telling us, is that it's really thin right through here and they can crack. So even if you have like a block guard, it might not even help because the weak spot on these can be right in between the cylinders. But I guess we'll see what she does before she pops. I think it'll hold at least 400 though.
Yeah, if not, I mean, it's whatever. I'm gonna build another motor for it anyway.
Yeah, if we break it, we're gonna rebuild her even stronger. But this will be a nice, fun little eBay build for right now. So what we're gonna do is get the rings gapped and then start putting the rings on the pistons.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna run a little line hone through here real quick as well.
We'll do the hone, and then after that, then we'll check the ring gap. So we'll go ahead and do that first.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna start with. Do a quick little hone through the cylinders, even though he did a previous hone when he rebuilt this and it's still not bad. There's still some of the old hone marks on there, but we're gonna re-hone that and then put the rings in there, use a feeler gauge, file the rings down, and just, you know, slap her together. You guys have seen us build stuff before. And yeah, it's gonna be a pretty basic thing to do. So we just pushed all the rings into the cylinders. So this right here is the top ring. This will be going on this top groove on the piston right here. The package they come in kind of says where they go. At least on this one it says like first for the first ring, and this one says second on that one right there, and then these are the oil rings right here. So I'm not gonna go step by step through this, but you guys have seen us do this before. I'm just gonna quickly explain again how we do it. So we have all the rings in there right now. We use the piston to push them down so that they're nice and level in there. And what we're gonna be measuring is this little gap right here. So that is the ring gap, and you want these to be a little looser for boost, just because there's more heat and like expansion stuff going on. So we're gonna be gapping this top one to 20 thousandths, and as you can see, I have this feeler gauge right here at 20 thousandths, and that gap is too tight. So we're gonna have to take each ring out and just file it down until we can get this in there nice and snug, and then we'll be able to put those rings onto the pistons. And then the second rings, we're gonna be going to 22 thousandths, and then the oil rings, we don't even bother with measuring those. We're just gonna slap them on, and then we'll be able to throw everything in. Then we can start putting the crank together and getting the bearings in and stuff like that. All right, so we just got all the rings gapped, and then we already went ahead and put them onto the pistons. And I just want to show you guys real quick where we positioned all the ring gaps on the piston itself. So we just have a gap in each of the corner on the valves right here, just so it has to make the air, you know, travel the farthest distance before it actually can like pass all the way through. Also, another thing to note is this letter right here that is on top of the ring needs to be facing up. There's like this little N right here, and both rings have that. Not sure why that needs to be facing up, but I just know it does. And then, yeah, that should be ready to go. Now we just need to get a ring compressor on here, put some oil on it, and we can slide it into the block. And before we do that, we're just gonna put the crank in and the main bearings, and then we also need to pull these little caps off right here. And then we can just drop it in and then clamp the rod to the crank once we get the bearings in.
Oh, dude, look. Oh, you can hear it.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, ready? Dude, look at my hand.
Dude, it was on there.
Dude, it got stuck.
She got some compression.
Nice. She's ready, boy.
Well, we pretty much got the whole bottom end put together on Jeremy's motor. We just got to do the oil pump and pan and, you know, stuff like that. But the hard stuff is over. Got the rods and pistons in. You getting excited? Ready to make some boost here pretty soon.
Yay, fool.
So yeah, we're getting closer, but we're gonna call it right there for tonight. We're actually gonna be taking the cars out to a meet. I'm gonna drive the hatch since it's up and running, and we're gonna throw a battery back into the MR2, and Jeremy's gonna take it down so we can get some miles on the MR2 because she's been sitting for a while. She's a little lonely right now. Yeah, we need to put some miles on all the cars, but gonna take the hatch and the MR2, gonna head out right now, and guess we'll take you guys along for the ride, see what happens. And yeah, gotta get going though. We're running late, so we're gonna head out. Come on, girl, there you go. She does not like the cold.
Fuck no. They both don't.
Nope. Well, I stopped over at the gas station real quick to get some E85 for the hatch. The MR2 needs some gas as well, but if you guys can see, Jeremy is nowhere to be found. The MR2 actually ran out of gas on the way up here. He's like a couple miles down. He just called me, so I'm gonna have to buy a gas can and go help him out. Kind of my fault because I said it would be good, but I guess it wasn't. So I'm gonna buy a gas can real quick and go save Jeremy, and then we'll be on our way. I'm sorry, man. I thought I was gonna make it.
I know, dude.
We're like right there, dude.
Close. It's all good.
This nice state trooper pulled over to make sure you were safe.
Crap out of
Did he scare you? Oh, there he goes. I thought it was gonna make it. I mean, we're right there.
I know. I heard the fuel pump. It was really loud. I was like, damn, there's no gas.
Damn. We're gonna be so late, dude. All right, well, let's get going. She good now? Ready to go? Should be all right. I had to double check her oil since she's been sitting. She's good. Now we're ready to mob out. How you like that MR2? It's fun, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
You've never even been in it, have you?
No, I haven't. Not on the road.
I seen you guys do a little pull. Did it?
I didn't even get on it that much.
I'm just glad
No?
I had heat.
Oh yeah, that I plugged the heater back in finally.
My feet are so freaking hot right now. Like
They're hot?
they're like sweaty.
From the foot warmer?
Yeah.
Dude, it works good.
I didn't even want to get out. It's so cold.
I know, it's really cold out right now. Dude, the minivan attracted way more attention. No one even cares about the hatch. What the heck?
You don't even know you're here, bro.
Both cars out. Ain't nobody around.
No one even cares.
But if you hit the two-step, they'll come
Yeah, they would.
I'm not gonna be that guy though.
Car toad?
Feel real good right now. Yeah. It's so warm. I can feel the heat coming out. Just straight bumping in a tow truck. So we cruised out to the meet. The cars are running good, running off them good vibes. But it's kind of cold out, so not too much going on tonight. But I did figure that since we had the MR2 out and the hatch, and I've never had them out together, I thought it would be kind of cool to see which one was faster. So I think on the way home, we're gonna take them out to Mexico real quick and just do a couple rolls just to get an idea of the speed comparison between the two. I know the hatch is obviously gonna pull it, but I kind of want to see how bad because the MR2 is still pretty fast itself. So don't know if we're gonna get any other runs in tonight, but yeah, that should still be interesting to watch. We just got back from the meet. Both the hatch and the MR2 were running good tonight. We had no issues except when the MR2 ran out of gas, but other than that, both of the cars were running great. It was pretty cold out, so most of the people were just kind of staying in their cars at the meets and stuff, and it was just overall a chill night. You know, got to take the cars out, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that little race between the hatch and the MR2. I thought that was pretty interesting. But yeah, the main focus on this video was to let you guys know that we got the bottom end together for Jeremy's Civic. So we're gonna be working on that here in the next few days, try to get it running, and she'll be on her way. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.